So we've just completed the Scorpio build. Did a few new things with this that I hadn't done last time. Probably some of the more noticeable things you can see on this one. The tank, it's a custom tank. We did that on the last one, but this one's got the exposed look. Thank you, Magpie. We got one of our seats, nothing particularly unusual there. Custom base. The surfboard racks, of course, stick out, no pun intended. You can see how they work. They just come up and over. They can be twisted around like so due to a pin at the back here, or they can be taken off with just simply 2 bolts on either side. So we've gone with the plastic guards, which we now sell for the Scorpios. They're a custom sort of guard. We also have the plastic battery box that we now make for the Scorpios. They sit in there quite nicely. We've got posh indicators, TA1 tail lights, AirPod filter, it's been tuned. What else have we got? Obviously the upswept exhaust is something a bit different, and that's about it. So we're one of our gauges there, and we used 2 headlights for this. We used a black and a chrome posh headlight because I needed a little bit more chrome on the front just to help it out a bit, and just for these little enduro mirrors on. I've got those there for legal reasons, but my thought was that if ever we wanted to, they can also be turned around and placed underneath, which I thought would be pretty cool. But this is actually getting registered in New South Wales, so we wanted to keep this pretty good. Now, also one of our custom, geez, if I can undo it, you have to trust me. There we go. It's one of our custom. That's one of our custom caps, and there you have it. So this thing sounds pretty great. If I can, I'll start it up one-handed. It's in neutral, as you can see there. That's it starting without a choke, and it is winter, it's not super cold, but yeah, you get the idea. So she's going really good. Okay, talk to you in the next one.